welcome back to the channel again, guys. We're working on this 2 litre diesel Jaguar F-Pace. Same in Land Rover and many of the other models. If you've got P010135 mass or volume air flow sensor, I'll show you where it is so you can get to it. It's a bit of a DIY job more than giving it to garages. If you're getting this, you've got warning, you're in lit mode, losing power, or you may not be, but it's just drinking more fuel than it usually is. I don't know, it'll just cause some sort of issue. In other words, to do with this here, guys, is the mass airflow sensor right here. It's this whole section. There's your part number on this one, if you guys can read it. Long story short, you can clean it with an electrical sprayer. That works, happy days. If it doesn't, it's not into the well. It's probably like you have to get OEM, you can't get aftermarket, because you are going to be in the same boat, guys. So probably around 40-50 quid, maybe less, maybe more, but that's where you are. It's literally just plug and play. In other words, you can reset the adaptions on this as well. I'm using this Jaguar Ultra P, the iCar soft. It's really easy to work on as well. So you've got this, and then you've got these bolts here. It just comes off. It really is easy, nothing crazy. Once you've done it, just reset it, go for a drive, and that's it.